This croissant sandwich takes only 5 minutes and tastes amazing. This is your go-to recipe for brunch, breakfast, and then, snacks. If you just want that healthy snack in between your meal, this is just the perfect recipe for you. Now stay with me as I take you through how to make this simple and easy sandwich recipe. Benedict's table, where every meal is made with love. Welcome back. Let me give you a rundown of the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe today. Here we have a tomato and a boiled egg. We have some cucumbers, some grated carrots, a croissant of course, and then a turkey ham. Then we have our lettuce. First, you start by cooking your eggs just the way you like them. Next, cook your turkey bacon until it is nice and crispy. Then you move to slicing your croissant in half, and then you slightly toast for that perfect buttery crunch. You can use it without toasting, it is fine either way. Our next step is to start layering your other ingredients. Now we start with our lettuce, and next you go in with your sliced tomatoes, and then your cucumber. It's time to add a crispy turkey ham, and some hard-boiled egg. Ooh, I love going extra, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some grated carrots on this to make my sandwich complete, and then I hold this down with a skewer or a toothpick, yes, just to keep it in place. And just like that, your perfect croissant sandwich is ready. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. If you've watched to this point, please don't forget to hit the like button and then leave nice comments and share so the algorithm pushes this to the right audience. And until my next video, stay safe and out of trouble. Bye.